How to use AI video filters on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can generate AI video filters on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open your Picsart application on your device, and once on the home page, you will see AI tools at the left side below feed. Click on it and there you will see tons of AI related tools. Here click on AI video filter tools. A window will appear. Here click on upload video and upload a video from your gallery or device. Once you select the video, wait for a while patiently. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. Here now you can extend your video to 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Remember, you will need to have subscription to choose video up to 10 seconds. Here select up to 5 seconds and click on that next to style buttons below. Here choose the style for your AI video filter. Scroll and choose the one that interests you. Click on that generate button below. Wait for a while again patiently. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. And after a while you can see your AI video filter has been applied. So in this way you can apply AI video filter on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.